Welcome, and thank you for purchasing the Camtech NAD test. Here is how to collect your blood sample. Before you begin, allow the kit to reach room temperature. Remove all components and read the instructions carefully. For best results, collect your sample before breakfast and stay well hydrated. Wash your hands with soap and warm water, then dry them completely. Remove the collection card from the sleeve. Tear off the Keep This card and store it safely. You will need it later to view your results. Write the required information on the collection card. To encourage blood flow, wave your hand downwards for about 20 seconds. Clean the side of your ring finger with the alcohol wipe and let it air dry. Then prick the side of your ring finger with the lancet. Gently squeeze your finger until a large hanging drop of blood forms. Use the gauze pad to wipe away the first drop. Allow one large drop to fall into each circle on the card. Avoid excessive squeezing or massaging, as this may affect the sample quality. Let the blood touch the paper, but do not touch the specimen area with your finger. Check that at least 50% of each circle is properly filled. Once collection is complete, apply the plaster. Insert the card back into the sleeve without touching the specimen area, then leave it to dry at room temperature for 3 hours. After drying, place the sleeve and card into the foil bag and seal it tightly. Do not remove the drying agent. Place the sealed foil bag into the paper envelope. Store the sample below 25 degrees Celsius. Keep it away from direct sunlight, and ship it no later than the following day. Once your sample has been shipped, your results may take up to 2 weeks to be ready. You will be able to view your results in the Camtech Health app.